A Canadian woman dies in Trelawney car crash. Her husband hospitalized. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Canadian family is now mourning the loss of a family member after a woman lost her life in a motor vehicle crash along the North Coast Highway in Trelawney on Sunday. The unidentified woman was traveling with her family from Montego Bay, St. James to St. Anne when the RAV4 driven by her husband collided with an oncoming truck near Falmouth. She succumbed to her injuries at the scene. The three other occupants of the vehicle, including her husband, sustained injuries and were rushed to the hospital for treatment. According to reports, the family had just arrived at the Sangster International Airport just hours earlier, and the incident occurred only 30 minutes into their journey. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast.